பார்த்தீங்களா, இதுதான் பங்களா டவுன். My friend is too much hungry, so he ordered many food. Today, this Bangla shop, Bangla, क्या नाम है? Bangla? Graam Bangla. Which location this one? Location. Brickland. So he's hungry. He started eating everything. I don't know anything. And this is Bangla. You see this goat, special goat for Bangla. Very nice atmosphere. You can come, you can enjoy. The good thing is like this road is like Bangladesh. You can see like West Corridor. It's like an Indian place. It's like this area is like very good. Bangla Homestyle Deshi food. This is homestyle. Very good. Bangla, Graam Bangla. The big masjid also there. It's very good for us to pray. Easy to go and pray. It's very good. And this area is look like Bangladesh. Let's see. இதை பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்கா நல்லா ரைஸ் வச்சுருக்காங்க. இது வந்து மண்பானை பிளேட்டு சூப்பராக இருக்குது. ஸோ திஸ் ஒன் ஆனியன் சட்னி. இது வந்து பார்த்தாக்க வேறு ஏதோ ஒன்று தெரியுது, இது ஒன்று தெரியுது. இது சிக்கன் குருமா. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I came to Graam Bangla. So you see, we ordered many food. So my friend, he's from Bangladesh, so he liked the Deshi food. So we started, and he'll give the explanation all about that. Jainal, how you feel about today?
With Bangla food?
Yes.
Nothing. Can't tell anything.
Okay.
That is mind blowing.
Okay. This one is what is that? This one?
This one is egg. Fish egg.
Fish egg, huh?
Yes.
Okay. What about this? Is I take this one. It's very nice and tasty also. This is chicken kurma, and this is for the beef. What beef? How is the beef?
Good.
Very good.
And this one.
This is like what do you call this one? Like some kind of vegetable with some nuts, with jackfruit nuts. It's amazing taste, and also shrimp also included that one. So the taste is very good also. I tried this my first time in the Bangla food, and for the dal, I'm not expert that much, but it's okay. But other all things, it's very tasty, and also it's in the London. And make sure you come and try one time. You will like it. Graam Bangla.
This is very
Famous and tasty. Also, you in London. You can search Google Map. Easy to reach here. And also for prayer, it's very good to you. Easy for you.
food.
Yeah. But food little bit expensive only. Okay.
But when you take this food, just you make sure you how many person.
Yes.
2 person.
Yeah. Two.
For two kinds of items.
Yeah.
Then enough for
Yeah,
2.
yeah,
Not more than 2.
Yes.
If you can eat, then you
Yeah.
can order more than 2.
Yes.
But
Okay.
Otherwise, don't waste.
Yes, food. Okay. We are today hungry because since morning we didn't take the food, so we directly came here. So 2 days. Okay. Enjoy. Okay. See you next video.
Video बनाएगा.
Hey,